it would have gotten annoying.
Yeah,
So how is it though on quiet?
Have you heard the GT on quiet?
Yeah.
It's so quiet.
It's very quiet.
Yeah. Someone has it set up one of the ones at the shop as quiet start, so when you start, you can't hear shit.
Yeah. And what package is this? How fast it is.
Yeah.
And he got to drive it.
Okay. And you felt that it felt faster.
It felt faster in the passenger seat.
Yeah. For anybody, it's the same
Yeah.
thing. Yeah. Because when you drive something, if you're the one handling and you're used to
You have a lot better. Yeah.
You can go 200
better
and nothing will
perception.
happen to you, but the guy in the passenger seat's like, fuck
He's
this.
fucked up.